what this does is it just simply tells you the way it is. There's no sugarcoating, no sales pitch, no, to use my referral code so I can buy gold-plated steaks kind of bullshit. And if you don't like the message, well, unfortunately, there's just not a hell of a lot I can do about it. And I don't mean to be rude, but right now the message of the market is a little bit dangerous. It's a bit concerning. Ironically enough, probably the one part of the market that isn't so concerning is actually crypto. But is that because maybe crypto already rolled over? I don't know. An interesting testament. You remember just a few days ago, crypto was up top here. I pulled up and actually it's kind of cool with TradingView. I think I can pull this up relatively quickly. Yeah, right here. Last week, of course, I was all rah bullish of the market. And unfortunately, we sort of, through the weekend, if anything, what I saw was through the weekend, we got a little bit of a pullback. What you're seeing on the screen, this was TRI sort of hot list in crypto. And heading into the weekend, right, coming out of last week, you can see all the volume patterns. Like here, for example, Cripple was ramping up. This FTX token was ramping up. This XTZ was ramping up. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, we had word from China that they were threatening to go to war here. And you can literally see, literally the moment that happened, everybody just turtled. And the whole damn market just paused. You can see the buying pressure. Can you see the volume impetus signal here, Josh? If anything, I think it's probably a really good lesson. This is literally the rubber meeting the road when it comes to speculating in the market. What the hell are the volume bars on here? I guess I have all the other. So here, let's just boom. Honestly, what I think happened here was that the market was feeling pretty damn good there, heading into the end of the weekend. Then all of a sudden, we got word that Miss Pelosi was going to get on a jet and go visit Asia and cause trouble, and the Chinese were all up in arms, and they were threatening that there were going to be terrible repercussions and blah 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 blah, and the whole market just stopped. So, obviously we don't want to have the conversation go down political roads because it's going to piss people off anyway. But this is a pretty good example of how do you describe what happened. Why did what happened happen? Well, it was because of politics, geopolitics for that matter. Anyway, so a bunch of M's coming in here. Notice how this stuff's all kind of just rolling over, like short term. These are 240. There's like a Tesla 4-hour chart. So down, down, down. Sort of the same as it was. Down-ish. Down, down, down. So what ended up happening here is you can see short term histogram's coming off. So that's good. All right. Crypto's not egregiously overbought now. I tell you, whenever you see these indicators, right, and actually even on a medium term, we're not overbought anymore. Actually, that's interesting. Looks like the whole market's calmed down here a little bit. It's a little concerning, the S&P 500, right? 75 and 77. That's a bad sign. I do not like the look of that. And then also, too, look at these country funds, 80 and 70. Bad. Don't like the look of that. And right here is that visual representation of the S&P 500 here. This does not look good, folks. This is dangerous.